Rusaka, the new name of the hotel, because this was in Ayaput before current situation of this.
So we're already inside Merusaka Hotel. I think that last time when we were in Nusa Dua, also when we took the day pass, it was busy. I mean, like it was 90% occupancy of the hotel. But nowadays, during the lockdown, well, based on the posts, like nowadays Bali has level 3 lockdown, so it means like the hotels which is non-quarantine hotel can be operated with a 50% capacity.
But I don't think so. The hotel have
More than 50. I don't think so. Also, hotel nowadays have a 50%. But yeah, I think that we can park here.
I'm not sure. I have to ask someone.
So we arrive in the lobby.
Alright, we are inside the Merusaka Hotel. Beautiful weather, beautiful vibes. And I just remember when we was here actually, like, I don't know, 2 months ago, something like this.
Yeah, I think that when we make a vlog, when Bali will be open.
Yeah, something like that. You can Google about this.
Busy was, pack of people from Jakarta, and they have a program work from Bali.
But everywhere was quite busy actually. Well, I could say was quite busy in the hotel, but now seems like it's very quiet. But it's beautiful. I will show you around a little bit how does it look like. Like I said already once, beautiful weather, just beautiful blue sky, and this is the one of the restaurants and swimming pools, lobby, stuff like this. And there's another restaurant over there on the ocean front. I think we are heading into that direction. Meanwhile, this is the main swimming pool of this hotel, and seems like it's not so busy. One guest I can see, but inside the pool nobody. So great opportunity to jump if you can.
Alright, so that's why we decided to go to the hotel with the day pass, because that's the only way to get access to the beach and also to know how's the life in the hotel is in Nusa Dua especially. Yeah, and I think that from the other hotel in Nusa Dua, like the Sofitel, Courtyard, many 5-star hotel, and I think that this Merusaka Nusa Dua is more affordable, and Ayodhya also. But yeah, this is not kind of paid endorsement, but yeah, we really like the vibes here. So yeah.
Here is the squirrel and these guys.
Oh, 3.
They have a names, right?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Pedro,
Pedro.
Piero.
Pedro. Yo, what's up, buddy? So cool. 3 squirrels. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness.
Where is 4? Oh, right, 4. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool.
Alright, so while getting ready for our day pass, and then I just decided to have a walk. So I spoke to the worker in the hotel and I asked about the occupancy in the hotel, and they said like from 400 rooms, actually only 6 rooms are occupied. So yeah, this is how it is, right? And the rest of them are the outside guests nowadays. So yeah, seems like at this time quite many people are on the beach enjoying the vibe here in Nusa Dua. Very nice. Yeah, people are on the beach chilling, riding canoe, and the tide it's not that big. So yeah, this is how it is. Very nice.
And that's how it looks, the beautiful ambience of Nusa Dua. Beautiful beaches, beautiful vibes, peaceful life. I'm gonna show you a little bit around because it's golden hour, so it's the best time to record. It's about 4:30 p.m. right now, so actually I don't really know what to say today on today's vlog, but I'm just happy to see the beautiful weather, beautiful sky and the beautiful ambience. So maybe you just enjoy with me the view, beautiful temple. And it's always nice to walk on the promenade.
Nice to see like people having a good time on the beach. I can
Yes.
say that.
That's true,
Yeah, so nice.
in that area of Nusa Dua especially.
And now we are walking, heading to Ayodhya Resort.
Ayodhya Resort, for everyone who are familiar and missed the Ayodhya Resort. Unfortunately, Ayodhya Resort had an accident a few months ago. The one of the restaurants got burned down.
Ah, yeah, we put it like this.
Yes,
I guess we informed that we are closed for the
because the restaurant over there got burned. That was few months ago, unfortunately. And seems like, well, probably they need time to rebuild this. And the times are not the best because obviously the hotel don't have any or much profit
Yeah,
since 1.5 years. So
I think that last time when we were here, still they have a day pass for 75k that you got a nice offer, but
we was in this pool actually,
Yeah,
and we sitting there, but now it's
yeah, it was a fire actually in the restaurant.
and that's how it looks like. It's low tide now, so some kids playing around. There is some water sports activities like paddling and stuff like this. So,
Look at beautiful Mount Agung.
and the beautiful Mount Agung over there. I will zoom it a little bit for you maybe. So beautiful, isn't it? That's how it looks like. One more time, I'm gonna show you the peaceful vibes and how's some people enjoy their life.
So yeah, this is how it is. Life in Nusa Dua. Nice and clear beach, and people feel happy, on the beach. So nice. Welcome to Nusa Dua.
Welcome to Nusa Dua.
Okay, so we've got so many requests on emails and Instagram asking that
And the
how
comment section also.
how BTDC Nusa Dua inside nowadays. How is the business, the hotels, occupancy nowadays in Nusa Dua? Okay, so we are already in BTDC Nusa Dua. Nusa Dua complex. So this is the complex of hotels, 5-star hotels, and yeah.
By the way, one of my friends said, Nusa Dua is beautiful area because it's beautiful gardens around, and the management of the Nusa Dua BTDC taking care of gardens and everything here. However, yes, some people will say as this is like because there are hotels only here. That's true, but it's really nice, especially during the golden hour, which is right now.
Okay, so we are driving around first to show you how it is, because we've got so many emails asking different hotels. Some people asking the West End Hotel, some people also asking Sofitel Hotel. But yeah, first of all, we just wanna show you how it is, right? On this area, surround area. Okay, so if you used to stay in Sofitel Nusa Dua, on the right side is Sofitel Hotel Nusa Dua. Yeah, so this one is Sofitel Hotel Nusa Dua, but we don't go there today because the northern gate is closed. Now we are heading to the southern part of BTDC. Well, actually, that we plan to go to Merusaka Hotel or Inaya Putri Bali. Yeah, and then yeah, we will go there inside and see. So this one is Westin Hotel on the left side. I think Westin is open.
I think most of the hotels here are open, or at least half of them. However, don't think so, as the occupancy is like super high.
So on the left side is Melia Hotel and also the Laguna Hotel. And now we are heading to Bali Collection. I don't think Bali Collection is open at this time.
I don't think so either. But even if
Because Bali Collection is a mall, right?
yeah, open air mall, but even if so, the most of the businesses there is closed already anyway. So here is the section of electric cars. So that's how it looked like. Very peaceful, I could say.
Yeah. So on the left side, I think the area of Ayodhya Resort. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It's Ayodhya Resort here.
Oh, Merosaka, go straight, honey.
Go straight.
Yeah.
It's really actually our hotel here.
Okay.
Not my hotel, but the hotel where we are planning to go.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. So this is how it is Nusa Dua nowadays during this current situation. Yeah, people seems like enjoying their life on the beach and chill. And yeah, I think that's all our video today guys.
Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.